Okay, let's go over example 3, drawing views of a solid. And this is part of chapter 8, section 1, three-dimensional figures. Okay, so problem A. So we need to draw the front, side, and top of our solid. And our solid for this per problem A is a pink eraser. Okay, so let's say we're setting this down on the paper, and I'm going to call this side here the front. So I'm going to label that. Here's the front. Okay, now I need to draw that. Well, that looks like a parallelogram to me. So let's go ahead and draw that. So parallelogram means that opposite sides are parallel to each other. So the front looks something like this. Okay, so the side, this over here would be the side. I'm just going to label S for side. And that just looks like a regular rectangle to me. Kind of small, like so, I suppose. And then the top, well, this would be the top. We'll do a T for top. That, again, is just a regular rectangle. But that one's bigger, so I'm going to try and make that a little bit bigger. Probably like that. Okay, and that's it. Let's talk about problem B. So again, the front, side, and top. So front. I'm thinking this is going to be the front. So I'm going to, oops, rectangle. Label this triangle as the front, and the front is a triangle. So I'm going to try and copy that the best that I can here. It's not going to look similar. Looks about like that. Okay, side. This is our side, and that looks like a rectangle to me. And the top. Okay, so this is kind of tricky, especially with a shape like this. Imagine that you're standing right on top of it, and what would it look like if you just looked down? Well, we would just see this rectangle. It would be this very bottom rectangle right there. So the top would look just like that. Okay. All right, problem C. Here's a pyramid here for us. So the front, let's call this the front. Oh, again, that's a rectangle. F. F for front. Okay, and that's just a triangle. Okay, here's a side, and that looks like a regular triangle to me. Exactly the same as the front. Okay, and then the top, so if we look top down, we would actually see a square. Okay, and that's it.